how to customize the door hanger do not disturb sign from my latest collection of mock-ups. This one's super fun. With that, you have the hanger design, so that's the actual paper here, so you can have a foil, a debossed look, so like a letterpress look, which you can easily just change the color here. So let's say we want it to be like a blue, black, like that. And then you have an embossed look, you can see there. And then again, for the foil color, you can also change the color of this one by just double clicking that color overlay. Usually it's only going to work if you have like lighter colors, so a dark background, light colors. So you can see how it slightly changes. That's what I would recommend. All right, so let's go ahead and change up the design. Let's do the purple. We'll try that. A foil. I'm gonna actually try it red, and I don't think it's gonna work, so I might just have to do a letterpress look to it. It's not terrible, but I don't know if I quite love it. So I'm gonna actually go in and do a debossed look. And you can always add another effect to it. So I just double clicked on the embossed one. And let's say we just want to do like a logo down here. You can definitely mix and match and add a couple different styles of the print effects here. Okay, with that, there is a pattern on this too, on the background color. I would leave it. It kind of gives a more realistic look, by the way. Okay, so for the debossed look, I'm going to change the color. Like so. It's currently set to multiply, so you'll see if you hit normal, that's what it's going to look like. It doesn't look as realistic. You can try other ones too. Linear burn, color burn sometimes gets a little bit brighter, and even multiply. So I'm going to leave it like that, and then I'm going to go ahead and go down. So now I'm going to go to the string and the tassel. So here is the string, so we can make it like match the purple. So you just kind of got to play with the color a little bit, like so. And then I'm going to do the tassel in a red, that same kind of red color, like that. And then finally, if you open up the last folder, you'll see there's a silver knob option and a gold knob option. So whatever works with your design better, that's one you can go with.